Hey guys, and how's it going? In this video tutorial, we will be talking about how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. Now, GCash is a super popular e-wallet service in Philippines which offers an impressive range of services including mobile payments, bill pay or phone top-ups. And if you're wondering how to send GCash from USA, this guide is specifically for you guys. So, there are a couple of methods that you can follow along to do so. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the option one is online providers. Now, what is online providers? Sending money to Philippines with online providers is convenient and can often present lower fee compared to transacting in person. So let's look at some providers you might want to consider to send money to GCash Philippines or send a payment to bank account or for cash collection in Philippines. So you can see for Wise we have the transfer fees from 0.41% and exchange rate is mild, and you can see the delivery speeds, obviously it is super fast. Now Wise also offers international payments. You can set up online or in app to 80 plus including countries. So Wise really covers a lot of geographically perspective. So yeah. Now after that, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the option 2, which is providers with physical locations. So sending money to physical location can be handy option if you prefer to transact in person or if you want to pay by cash. Here's how to send GCash from USA to Philippines and with popular providers with physical agents location. So the first one is MoneyGram. So basically you can use this. You can see the fee structure and the delivery speed and everything. After that we have Western Union. So these are really popular wallet providing services. And after that we have the option 3, which is bank. So the fees could be variable and it is mostly high. So if most of the people who are familiar about bank transfers, they know how big the fees could be, and the delivery speed could also be sometimes just do a lot of issues. And so yeah, so the bottom line says that you've got options if you want to send GCash from USA. To make sure you get the very best available deal, you want to compare a few providers to look at the both fees and exchange rates that are offered. While it's common to find low or even no transfer fees when sending to Philippines, many providers use markup on exchange rate, which is fee that tricky to see, and that can push you overall costs compared to few options including Wise, which offers the mid-market range with no markup to see which works out cheapest for you. So yeah, you got the point, right? You can use all of these options to send money from let's say USA to GCash in Philippines, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. Thank you so much for watching and see you around the next couple of tutorials.